You ever try using Google Maps while it's still connecting to your Starlink Wi-Fi and the connection is so bad the maps won't load? You're in the middle of your driveway trying to navigate from the car, and then you can't search Google Maps without turning off your Wi-Fi. I call this the driveway problem. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix slow Starlink speeds, especially at the edge of your Starlink's Wi-Fi range, so you can use Google Maps anywhere without issues. Starlink is the best satellite internet solution right now, but there are still lots of ways it can give you connection issues. One issue that often slows down Google Maps when you're leaving your house is the limit of your Starlink router's Wi-Fi range. If it's not obstructed, the Starlink router can reach over 300 feet, but the walls and furniture in your house usually prevent it from reaching that far. The dish could also be obstructed. The solution is Speedify. The secret to cutting out most of these issues is bringing an additional internet connection into the mix. That connection could be 4G, 5G, some old DSL line. It could even be another Starlink. Although for Google Maps, you're probably using it on your phone. The more internet connections you combine with your Starlink, the more you can fill in any gaps in your connection stability. Keep your internet fast, even when your Starlink slows down. Now you may be wondering, how do you combine another internet connection with your Starlink? It's easy, you just download Speedify. Speedify uses a unique technology called channel bonding to intelligently send and receive your internet traffic over multiple internet sources at the same time. It can even split a single stream at the packet level, which means it can increase your bandwidth. As you add more connections, this results in a stable connection for Google Maps as you get too far from your router. Plus, if there are other people in your car with you, you can add more cellular connections for even more bandwidth and stability. Speedify lets you wirelessly pair as many devices as you want to share cellular over the local network. The more devices you pair, the stronger your connection will be. All you need to do is connect everyone to the same Wi-Fi or hotspot. Download Speedify for free on all your devices and pair phones in the Speedify app to share cellular. This is what we call pair and share. So if you're tired of issues with Google Maps, you know what to do. Download Speedify today from the Google Play or Apple App Stores and enjoy a better, faster, more stable and secure internet. If you liked this, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips just like this.